Hello friends, my name is Minku Mittal. Today I am going to tell you what I have did today. Basically, basically I have done bootstrap and implement bootstrap methods. Uh, as I said in my previous video, I have done this pause report. I have made it in HTML. I will show you. I have added something here new, like we can see date calendar here or calendar. We can select date. We can also select here date. Actually, it shows the data which need from date from to date to. So we can view reports according to a date. Um, Today I have studied about Bootstrap. Bootstrap is basically in Bootstrap we have most classes which we can use in HTML. It makes easy in code. But before Bootstrap, I want to let you know one thing. I have done. I have make change in date format. So let me tell you how I make a change in date format. I just make change in JavaScript file. Just add here date format and the date format which we need to show. The max date is -0. It means it can show date only up to today, not for the future. So that's why you can add there. Next is we have made a bootstrap button. We can see here in design. uh, First I will show you output what we created. This is bootstrap button. So this is bootstrap button. This looks pretty good. Then we make simple button in HTML. So let me tell you how can we make it. uh, we can say we can just add a c.css file here and js file as a source, script source. We had given class equal to row. We had made a row and the style left margin and the margin top. We can see this margin. We can add a class. This is button 2 and button type, as we add in HTML. We can see here we can add and button type equal to button, and the class, we need to specify which button you need to use, because class button group has many more classes. So we need to specify here button primary drop down toggle button we need to use, and the data toggle drop down we need to use drop down button, from which we can get the menu if we click on that button. Span is basically there is a symbol which is drop down symbol, so we can make use of span, and the use of class which is cat. We can also edit something new. We can make use of class nav tabs. What did it do? It can just provide tabs. Nav class only used to provide tabs. We can see in output. We can add menu here as well. So again we can see here drop down button and a simple button. It looks much better than in a simple HTML. We can see here tabs which can look more better. So next is we have made bootstrap form. Basically, we also made in HTML form. My form contained name, tag, label, and then text box enter name, and the file input, choose file, check me out is checkbox, submit button. So it looks like this. We can take cursor on it. It can change its color. It's look better, and it increase speed. We can make use of bootstrap. In form, we can see here we can just add .css and .gss, and the form role add a form, and the class set the margins. We can add here class a form group. We need, I already told you we need to add a class name, and the label I said name, the text name, and the next input file we need to browse which one, this one, and then the help block we can add example will help here. Then we had checkbox, check me out, and then we have submit button that we specify a class button default. So we can see here we can enter a name here like Mink Mithal. We can choose any file we need to choose, like we can choose this pic. So this can add here. We can check this button. We can make use of submit button. I didn't put any action in submit button, so it uh, didn't submit to database. So next is bootstrap image. This is an interesting bootstrap. We can see here in a rectangular image, and it can we can see here a circular image. It can cut automatically this image into circular. What we need to do for it? We can just we already mentioned add .css and .js class, which is container. We need to put image in a container. It's just like that, and the class row, column, and the class thumbnail for the picture to drag, and the image source where picture source path of the picture. And next, this is another picture. If we need to make it circular, then we need to add here class image circle are equal to circular image. It can alter it to circular image. So we can see here put a circular image. So next one is, this is a table view. So how does it look like? Is it better than in we can do it in HTML, simple HTML? Yeah, of course, definitely better. We can add .css.js file, make use of table class, um, table row, make use of the field name row, first name, last name, email, and then add the elements in the table row, which is we can add in table body. You can see here. First we add one Minkumittal email, two Vishal Gupta's email, and the three Arvind's email. So we can save it and run it. We found this. So this is row, first name, last name, email, and then the data 1 2 3 Minku Vishal Arvind, and then their last name and the emails that we did in Bootstrap. So that's what we have done today, and we are going to do now. Uh, we need to make a report. I will show you tomorrow because we didn't complete it yet. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.